Happy National Dog Biscuit Day. Afternoon, family. Today we're test driving the Barkley Bites biscuits, a wheat-free biscuit. So when I feed treats, I want to make sure the quality of the treats is right. And if the dogs like it, then the motivation and the treats are better. There's nothing wrong giving your dogs treats. Just make sure it's healthy treats. And like you can see with Sigurd and with Iver, they are definitely qualifying. Iver, wat sê julle van die koekies? Draai gou om dat die mense kan sien hoe mooi is julle. Sit. And you can see motivation is there. Huh? Do you like this? This is nice. Iver? Oh, ek kan nie gooi nie. Sigurd, dis die gooi sleg vandag. Ek gaan nie vir 'n hele pak gee en net hierso. Sigurd, sit. Oh, it's a goeie lê. That's a good go. That's a good go. Oh, that's a good go. Nee, wat dink jy, Iver? Like jy van die koekies, nee?